Peter Obi not dey come out as Igbo president. That's number one. Peter Obi, we not go vote for him for social media. That is number two. Peter Obi not be wahala person. That is number three. If you want vote Peter Obi, first of all, get your PVC. Two, not dey turn am to Igbo affair. Peter Obi not dey come rule only Igbo people. And only Igbo people not go fit vote Peter Obi. Remember, a Nigeria affair now we dey talk about. And we need people where they capable. Like Baba Ahmed and Peter Obi. They deliver this country with their brain. The rest of other people, they don't use their brain for their private business. Finish. They won't go use our resources, relax for old age. We don't need them all. We need people who go bring the brain, the young brain, put inside the country, make the country work. Not be selfish activity.